chatting, we have to put it here. Okay, so this link is available your basic C programming. What happened? Why should I install and spend my time on all this thing? Can you see here? This is online compiler already available. So here what is, you can see the code. Hash include, basic structure they have given. Hash include stdio.h. Now I know what is this line does. Int main, this is my entry point. Now every programming language has an entry point except JavaScript. Okay. Why I'm saying you like this? Because when you learn React.js, आप बोलोगे मैम entry point कहाँ है? So JavaScript में entry point नहीं होता. Rest all programming language has an entry point, which means from where this has to start reading the code. So int main is my entry point. And we know printf is going to print something on the screen. And since it is int main, we write return 0. Now understand C program is a platform dependent programming language. It is a procedural programming language. What do you mean by procedural programming language? It will read line by line. Like for example, opposite to procedural language, we have object oriented. Like C++, Java, C#, object oriented, PHP, JavaScript, object oriented. Okay, C is a procedure, means it read from the top to bottom. Okay, and who is going to execute the code? Understand, no program execute only own. Someone has to call. For example, if I compile this file, no, you get executable file. In other programming language, I'm comparing so that you get an idea. In Java, I get .class file. In C#, I get exe file, but it is not actually executable file. It is something different, which has some independent code. Okay, but in C programming language, I'll get a executable code, which means machine dependent code, which means binary code. Okay, which I can run on the machine, on the same machine where I have compiled the code. Which means if I have a Windows application, I have compiled the code, I got executable file, I can run on this PC. But if I take this code, that exe file, into the another operating system, say Linux, and if I try to run the code, it will not work. Because as per the Linux operating system, I have to recompile my code. So it will generate a different executable file as per that operating system. And that is the reason why we say C is a platform dependent programming language. Okay. And who is going to start? See, as I said, no code execute on its own. So main is a definition. Who is calling this main? Operating system will call the main. Understand? Can I run my any application without operating system? No. So OS will call your main exe file. So operating system will call your executable file. And what we say, return 0 ka matlab hai, we are giving control back to OS. Okay, this is the best practice to write int main return 0. Now many times students ask, ma'am, in so many books we have seen something like that, void main likha hai, fir bhi program to chalta hai. You are allowed to write void main. Void means you are not returning any value. So program will work. But understand that is not a good practice. If you try any online compiler, HackerRank, or so many other online compiler available where you can write some code, or even company, when they take a test, they use some online compiler. Their structure you always get int main. And then if you try to write void main, it will not work because it is working on separate platform. So it is always a best practice to write int main and return 0, which means you are giving control back to OS. So in all our example, even if somewhere I have not returned, you have to understand you'll be writing int main and return 0. And this is how online compiler look like. So you don't have to worry about installing any software or any other thing. So today you can very well go here. Main is an entry point. It is a function. Main is also identifier. There's a question asked. Main is a function definition. For example, ये printf and a function call है, and main मेरा function definition है. As we go ahead with the function concept, you will get it better clarity. Main is a function definition, and you wonder, तो फिर इसको call किसने किया? So when you double click on your exe file, no, operating system will call this main function. Okay, so इसका calling will be done by the OS. So main का calling is done by the OS. Printf का ये function call we have done, and the prototype declaration available in the header file. Getting it? So now here, I can run the code here. You can see here the run. So what will happen? You can see something on the hello world, right? And here I can put, I have done copy paste to let me check. It is not allowing control.